Welcome guys to another video. In today's video, I just want to show you how to add funds to your Geegpay account. So in case you don't know, Geegpay is actually an app that helps you to transfer funds and receive funds from international clients. So maybe you're a freelancer and you offer a service online to international clients, or maybe you want to pay for stuffs online that requires you to use your dollar account. This is a very good platform that helps you to do all of that, considering the fact that PayPal sometimes doesn't work for developing countries, especially countries like Nigeria and other countries in Africa. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, but before we do that, you need to have a Geegpay account for this to work. So for you to get your Geegpay account and get it easily, all right, go to the link in my description, check for the link there. I'll drop a link there. That link, once you click on it, is going to open up a sign up form for you, where you're going to follow the step-by-step process of signing up and having your Geegpay account. This is a very important process that you should follow. All right, so check the link in my description for all of that. Now, if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, you're welcome to my channel. On this channel, we talk about how to do stuffs online, and I teach you things that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. All right, so before I get into the video right now, I need you to just do me a favor by liking this video and subscribing and turning on the notification bell, so that when I publish new videos, you are going to be notified. All right, do that for me, okay? And don't miss any step, don't miss any part of this video. Okay, so this is my Geegpay app. Once you go through the sign up process using my link in the description, you're going to have the app here on your phone. So we click on it. Once we click on it, you are going to be seeing something like this. Now, I've been doing some transaction here, that's why you are seeing what you are seeing here. Okay, so for your own case, it will be empty. All right, it will be empty and you just be seeing something like this. So to add funds, all right, to add funds, because you need to add funds to this account for you to be able to do transactions. All right, on this same account, I have my card. All right, you can see that I have my dollar account. All right, I have my dollar account. It is this dollar account now, or my dollar card, that I can use to make payments online. But that's not what we are talking about today. We are just talking about how to add funds. Okay, I'm showing you the dollar card because you're going to need it to make payments online. But let's just look at how we can add funds. So to add funds, you can see this add funds here with a plus here. You click on it, or you come to this account below right. All right, below right, click on it once. Once you click on it once, you are going to see your account details, the account details that you will need to send money into. Are you getting now? So this is the account details. You are going to see the account details here. All right, now this one I showed you, this place I showed you that you see add funds, it means that if you click on it, it will be taking you through the process, through the long process. Are you getting now? It will be taking you through the process. Now, before I forget, you are going to do verification. They will ask you to do verification before you have your account fully up and running. So get that also in mind. You are going to need to do verification. So if you want to go faster, all right, if you want to go faster, you just come to this account. All right, you come to this account. That's after you've done all your verifications and everything. So you are going to have to do a transfer to this account. Are you getting now? You do transfer to this account. But if you want to pay through card, or you want to do, maybe you have other account number, or you want to pay through another bank or USSD or all of that, you come through this process of adding funds. But I don't use this process because I have my OPay account. All right, you need an OPay account to do this very, very well. But if you don't have OPay account, you can still follow this process. All right, but for me, I come to this place and I just copy the account details, and then I send the money through my OPay account. All right, if you don't have an OPay account and you want to open one, go to the link in the description. I will drop the link for you there. Just follow through and fill up all the details and sign up correctly. Okay, so once you send the money through your OPay account, all right, it is going to be registered. It is going to appear on this place. Are you getting now? It is going to appear on this place. Are you getting now? So once it appears here, your money has been funded, your wallet has been funded. So that is how to add funds to your account. If you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section. If there's a video you want me to make about how to use this, just also drop it in the comment section. All right, if you want to learn more about how you can make money with this app or how you can save money on this app, just go to the comment section and drop it in the comment section. All right, that's all I'll take from this in this video. All right, that's all I'll take in this video. If you got value from this video, which I believe you got value, kindly tap the like button, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that when I post more videos, you are going to be notified. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.